So MusicLM builds on top of AudioLM, which is a broader audio generation algorithm. And what MusicLM does is taking this very powerful audio generation algorithm, train it on music data, and add specific controls for music creation, such as text, voice, melody conditioning, and so on.
Na 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 na.
Anti-Switching was launched last year at I/O as an experimental way to get feedback on our newest technologies.
But I love how it speaks of a moment, like that never existed, but you feel like it could be also for the lo-fi or like...
At the Google Arts and Culture Lab, artists and technologists and engineers and researchers come together to experiment with emerging technologies and explore new ways to create, interact with and experience culture online.
My name is Antoine Bertin. I'm a sound artist and composer. A composer or music curator is more of an intermediary between something that happens in the world. So one way of doing this is through a process called data sonification and see what music emerged from that.
I'm Simon Dory. I'm a creative coder at the Google Arts and Culture Lab. I think it's nice. You don't play the piano or the guitar, so you start prompting and you get an accompaniment. For example, if you are a drummer and you want something to play with, you can just type and you have the music to play with.
One of my first reactions is like instead of the audio quality or the spontaneity or imagination with which it generates a piece of music. It's quite surprising, it just happens really fast and spontaneously.
And artists have always been known to use the tools that are available to them and push tools in unexpected and surprising ways. I see MusicLM as an evolution of that.
The most important is that for us it's used by artists in a way that is meaningful to them and can allow them to explore new ways of creating sounds.